Hey guys, everyone, and welcome back to my channel to all of my dear friends. So today I'm going to show you how to make another Tibetan khapse recipe, which is very simple and it's very delicious. This khapse name is Bulug khapse recipe. So Bulug is why they called Bulug, I don't know, but name is very cute name. So here's the ingredient we gonna make it. So very simple ingredient. So let's get started how to make. So before start the video, I will request you, if you are visit my channel first time, don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe bell. So let's get started. Come on. Sugar. So sugar here I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar or whatever you have. 2, 3, 4. So here I use 4 tablespoons sugar. So sweetness is depend on you, how you like. Here is the milk. We kindly use 2 cup milk, and this is the water, and I'm using 1 cup water. So this is the rice cup, so everyone have this rice cup, so I measurement with this, so you will get good idea for this. Now I'm gonna heat this. You don't need to boil this, we just need to melt the sugar, only that's it. So here you go. Now I'm gonna let them cool down this. So meanwhile we gonna prepare the egg. So I'm using here 3 eggs. So this is for optionally, some people they adding only water and milk, but if you need good taste, so you can add the egg. Okay, now we gonna mix this. Okay guys, so now my milk is already cooled down, and we gonna mix again this. Okay, next I'm using flour, and I'm using first 2 cup flour. First we gonna mix this. Make sure to not add one time, so you have to see first this mix. And okay, 2 cup already add, and now we gonna add 1 more 2 cups, and again we going to mix this. We need to batter, not too much thick, not too much liquid. So you need to mix very nicely this until not become floppy and smoothie paste like this. So can you see? So how better we need thickness, so I will show you properly. So this is the main part. So batter thickness we need like this. When you drop the batter, so it will go very smoothly. We don't need to break. So this is not too much liquid and not too much thick. We need like this. Okay, now take a 1 glass like this, any kind of glass, it's okay. So and here I use the Ziploc, transparent Ziploc. You can close from here also, it's very good too. So when you put, you have to hold like this. So from here we will need to cut this. So first we need to fill up. So if little longer is better your Ziploc, so it will, when you do like this, so it will not all come outside. So now we have to put like this, and it here, the better. It will come outside like this. Then you can just close the ziplock. Okay, see? And you have to hold like this. Take this end also and just make the hole like this. And you have to make like this. And we'll cut from here very small size, and we're gonna put in this way. Okay, so now my oil is already heat. Very small size, only this, only up this part I'm cutting. See, and continuously we have to add this. Which side is empty, you have to put that side like this. Some is full, so we need to close this. Okay, so now I already put all. Now you can't touch right now, because if you touch, then all design will not stay, so it will all broke. So once it will stick together and it will stay like this, like a chapati, and it downside will make a crispy, so it will stick properly. Now you can move this, you can see. Now this time you need to press lightly. Now take one chopstick and we kind of flip this. Put in some hole to chopstick and just now it's time to take out. It's already cooked. So remove all extra oil. Hold for a few seconds like this. And we kind of repeat same process until not finish. Now you have to remove this extra. This is Tibetan jalebi. top on this, I'm gonna add sugar powder, this like this. We need to try this completely cool down, I mean to say. So this is the first I cooked, and second and third and fourth I start to wear the gloves because it's burning my hand. You have to do non-stop so it's burning. Okay, now I'm gonna make the small size, which is I'm gonna eat. Alright guys, so this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoyed my khapse making video. So if you've seen this video will helpful to you, so please share with your friends and family, even they also enjoy this Tibetan traditional khapse recipe. So if you want to know more traditional Tibetan food and Himalayan food recipe, please support me as like before, and I will try to bring more new recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. And how it is, don't forget to leave comment below. And happy new year to all of my dear friends, and wish you this year will bring to more happiness and successful in your life. And very happy new year, and losar tashi tele changmala.